I'm Mama Mita, and today my video is about checking your lights on your car. So now when you get ready to leave to go on your trip and stuff, you want to make sure that you take the time to check your headlights, your high and your low beams, and you want to check your tail lights and your signals. You know, when you go to get your driver's license, they check all of that, and if you didn't take the time to do that, and there's just one of those things that are not right, they will send you back telling you, well, I can't do the test today with you because one of your lights is out. So what you want to do is you want to just check it, take the time to check that, put your lights on, okay, and you want to make sure that both your lights are working. Like this is my lower beam, I'm like just a regular beam, and now I'm going to put my high beams on. And to put the high beams on, you're going to push it forward, the light handle. Okay, so both my lights are working. Great. Now I'm going to use my front left light for flashing. Okay, yes, and then I remember one time one of my lights was not working, and I got really chewed out by a lady. She was upset with me on that one. Okay, so it's working too. Let me come in the back and check in the back. How it's looking in the back. Okay, it's fine in the back. So you want to do that all the way around. Same thing. Putting the thing down. Checking this side. It just takes a few seconds, but you don't want to get pulled over by the police either, you know, because they can do that. They can pull you over and give you a ticket just because your lights burn out. Then you want to, if you have time and you're home, get someone to check and see that both the tail lights is working. Can you check and see for me? Is both of them working?
It's too light out.
Sorry?
You can't see because of the lights.
Okay, you step on the brake and I'll check it.
Right.
Oh, that isn't going to work very well.
No.
Okay, we're going to assume that they're working, but you want to make sure that they are working.
Yes.
So, and that's how you check your lights. But you want to make sure you take that extra time and check those lights before you get on the road, especially like if you're at night, because let me tell you, it can really be a problem. I remember one time in Spokane that I was in the Previa and I had moved the position of the steering wheel, and somehow or another it pinched one of the wires, and so I didn't have any headlights, and I really didn't know what to do. And then finally I figured out it has to be something with the steering column. So I lowered the steering column and the lights immediately came back on. So I knew with the Previa, because somehow or another there was a little wire up underneath here that was being pinched, it was causing those lights to go off. So you want to make sure that you're okay on your lights. So I hope you enjoyed my quick little video of checking your lights, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.